Are your shoulders always tight and cranky? Check out this 5-minute morning routine you could do virtually anywhere and provide relief. Let's first start by talking about this. So there's 5 areas that we have to address to loosen up the shoulders and offload them. The first place is the neck. If we're able to get rotation, extension, those different positions, it's gonna make the shoulder not work as hard. Same thing with the thoracic spine right here, the shoulder blade on the back, the shoulder itself, and also the nerves that exit the neck and travel down into the shoulder and the arms. Any restrictions in any of these 5 areas can cause pain at the shoulder. So this 5-minute routine is gonna check all the boxes for it. The first exercise that we're gonna do is a bench opener. So you're gonna be kneeling in front of a bench or a chair. You're gonna place your elbows and you're gonna have your hands together just like this. Here, you're gonna drop your butt back and allow your chest to come forward. You're likely gonna feel a stretch in your lats or also your upper thoracic spine. You're gonna complete 10 reps of that. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously wanna fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. The next exercise that we're gonna do is called an open book. You're gonna head over to the wall. You're gonna get into a half kneel position just like this. Keep the hip connected to the wall. You're gonna take your hands and you're gonna open up away from the wall. You're gonna make sure to follow your eyes with your hands as you're doing it. The goal is to get to the other side of the wall. Totally normal to have differences side to side, but that also can be contributing to why you're having that shoulder pain in the first place. Then you're gonna switch to the other side. After you complete 10 reps on each side, now that we've hit the neck and the upper thoracic spine, now we're gonna hit the shoulder blades on the back. The reason that this is so important, if you check out this shoulder blade on this side, if it's not able to rotate all the way, you're gonna have an impingement right there, the shoulder running into it. As opposed to this side, if you get that 60 degrees of upward rotation right here, the shoulder is able to comfortably get overhead, in front, and also behind. So for the next exercise, it's a wall slide. You're gonna head over to the wall, place one foot in front of the other, just have your hands on the wall, slide your hands up the wall, and chest forward. Make sure you're letting the wall do the work. You're just giving a gentle push as you slide up. Should feel your shoulder blades moving up and around as you're doing that exercise, 10 reps. Then we're gonna head over to the bench over here for belt rib mobilization. For this exercise, you're gonna grab a belt, or if you guys have a dog leash at home, that works fine. You're gonna unravel it. You're gonna make sure to sit on the belts. You're gonna bring it up and over, just like this. And you're gonna pull down and in with the belt. So just like that. From here, you're gonna look down and in towards this armpit, and then up and away. Down and in, up and away. So we're gonna do 10 reps on each side. This is a great exercise to do before bed if you're having shoulder pain when sleeping on that side. To the other side. That's gonna be 10 reps on each side there. Now we're gonna move into axial rotations. I'll move this guy out of the way. So for this exercise, you're gonna have your arms out to the sides, and then you're gonna alternate bringing your arms in and up just like that. We're working on the rotation piece now of the shoulders. Making sure not to force the motion. And then just to show you guys from the back what it looks like. So you're gonna do that for 1 minute. If that is like burning the arms and it's a little bit too much, just split it up. Do 3 sets of 20, 2 sets of 30 seconds, however you need to do it, it's totally fine. The last exercise that we're gonna address is called a median nerve glide. This nerve starts in the neck, works its way down right through here, and can refer pain to the bicep or even all the way down into the hands and fingers. If you are getting numbness and tingling, this exercise might cause some of those symptoms. For this, you're gonna get into a teapot position. You're gonna extend your elbow, wrist, and fingers down. Feel a nice stretch. Come back out of it. Or to the other side. All right. And those are the exercises that we're going to be doing to help warm up the shoulders and all these other areas. If you're having that tightness when you wake up, or it's just kind of feeling stiff throughout the day, mixing in some of these movements can go a long way. And this is something that I tell my clients all the time. Spend 5-6 minutes in the morning. There's some WD-40 on those areas, and you're gonna start to feel a lot better. If you're tired dealing with this shoulder pain and you've done physical therapy, injections, stretches, basic exercises, and you're not seeing results, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.